So, good day everyone. My name is Prince Jerry R. Oidor, BC221, code 2221. And for today's video, we're going to discuss what is fault and its different types. So, let's go! As I searched, I found out that fault is a fracture or zone of fractures between two blocks of rock. Faults allow the blocks to move relative to each other. This movement may occur rapidly in the form of an earthquake or may occur slowly in the form of rip. So faults may range in length from a few millimeters to thousands of kilometers. Most faults produce repeated displacement over geologic time. During an earthquake, the rock on one side of the fault suddenly slips with respect to the other. The fault surface can be horizontal or vertical or some arbitrary angle in between. So now, we are going to know what are the different types of fault.
As I keep on searching in the internet, I found out that there are 5 types of faults, and these are normal deep slip, reverse deep slip, thrust, strike slip, and lastly the oblique slip.
So first, let us discuss what is normal deep slip. Faults are inclined fractures where blocks have mostly shifted vertically. So if the rock mass above an inclined fault moves down, then it is called normal fault. Or in other words, or in simpler words, it is normal fault if the hanging wall slides down relative to the footwall. Or to more visualize it, here is some picture. And second is the reverse deep slip. It is only the reciprocal of the normal deep slip, where the hanging wall slides up over the footwall. It is the result from the compressional forces caused by a contraction of the Earth's crust. And again, here is the picture. And third is the thrust. It is a deep slip fault in which the upper block above the fault plane moves up over the lower block. It is a reverse fault that dip less than 45 degrees. This type of faulting is common in areas of compression, such as regions where one plate is being subducted under another. And here is the picture. And also I have facts regarding about thrust faults. So thrust faults with a very low angle of dip and a very large total displacement is also called overthrust. And fourth is the strike slip. It has the same case of reverse and thrust where it caused by the horizontal compression. They release their energy by rock displacement in a horizontal direction almost parallel to the compressional force, like this. Hence, if the block opposites an observer looking across the fault move to the right, the slip style is termed right lateral. And if the block moves to the left, the motion is termed left lateral. And lastly is the oblique slip. It is a fault that moves parallel to the strike or dip of the fault plane. And as what I understand, and also as you can see in the picture, it is more likely the combination of normal fault and strike fault that moves parallel to the strike or dip of the fault plane. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something and I hope you like it. That's all. Thank you and God bless, and see you next week.